morning. We are down here at Steelhead Falls. Griffin, on our last little adventure, found two, not one, but two Apple Watches down here. I also put my goldmine medicated powder on today. That's right, boys and girls. When you start getting older, you're gonna learn all about goldmine medicated powder. You better be on the lookout for rattlesnakes. All right, Griffin, it's a race. Let's go, I'll see you down the trail. Less than a half mile to go now. It's almost like we're halfway there in like 3 minutes compared to what we did last time. I've got my phone and Griffin's keys in this bag. I'm gonna go hide them near where we're getting out. So, fingers crossed, with any luck, my phone and Griffin's keys are gonna be there when we get back. Waterfall, way off in the distance where we're getting in, and that looks like a pretty good spot to me, wouldn't you say? Well, the good news is I circled back under the waterfall. Griffin either didn't go there to begin with, or he did go there and he made it out. So, that's good news for you, Griffin. Jump back under. Let's go find some more. lie, that was pretty funny. Sorry, Griffin, but it was pretty hilarious. Doing really good on the treasure. Still have a whole lot more river to go explore.
Someone else. All we want is please. Giving no time to breathe. This is our identity. We can't help, we're gone. This is our identity.
Our stuff is still here. Hey, what's up, Griffin?
Hey,
New sunglasses?
new sunglasses.
I like them.
I like them too. I think they work. And a lot of coins. This is why you don't try and grab fishing lures.
Huh.
You get all tangled up.
I think I found an old gas tank too.
Really?
Like off of a little bicycle or something, I don't know. I'm gonna strip down, expose my dad bod here. 3, 2, 1, no! Woo! Well, that was numbing and refreshing. Oh, ow, and I just stubbed my toe. That's good, Griffin, you're up. As usual, I found a couple of bottles, a couple of broken bottles as well that we took out of the river. You're welcome, people, so that way, if you happen to be jumping in the river, you're not gonna cut your toe. At least not on this piece of glass today. Made in Taiwan, nothing to write home about, but I do like the little wood version here. Not real wood, still looks cool. Check those woods out.
Very nice.
Somebody was out here trying to do a bit of snorkeling. They lost their mask and left all these goodies for us. Underwater, it looked like this was a gas cap on top of a little motorcycle gas tank. Go with me here, Griffin. Is that not kind of what it looks like?
Sure.
So that is the reason. That's the reason why I ended up with a rock in my bag today. If you look at it closely, motorcycle gas tank is what that is.
It does have some iron metal fused to the top.
Lucky for Kristen, I don't beat my wife, and I have no need for that. But if I did, and I was ever in trouble, Griffin is an attorney, and he can get me out of any jam. Guaranteed, or your money back. I also found a fishing pole under the water. A lot of lures today, and the only reason I picked these ones up today is because they didn't have the hooks on them. Anytime I find lures with hooks in them, I either get tangled up in them, I get them tangled in my bag. a bad thing. Two amazing finds I really want to share with you today though. Who knows what that is? Time's up. I'm gonna tell you. This is a gauge for somebody's ear. You know, like when people do like their ears and they spread them wide open.
That's a hard pass for me.
Tell me that's not beautiful, people. Dad bod and belly jewelry.
I'm very sorry if our viewers had to see that.
And last but not least, before we get into Griffin's finds, I believe it's a sterling silver necklace. I thought it kind of looked like an owl. It has wings on it. Kind of looks like a turtle as well. Comment below. Take a good hard look. What do you think that pendant is and what does it represent? That's it for my amazing finds. Let's show you what Griffin got today.
Griffin took a lot of lures and now can't get his bag open.
Griffin made a mistake today. And that's why we don't grab lures with hooks on them anymore, Griffin.
All the lures are stuck to the bag. I got a pair of sunglasses, found another pair that you guys saw me get out of the water with, and that's what I got.
Down.